Welcome to LearnToCompose. This project will guide your class in composing and performing your own piece of music. Before you start, you'll need a range of percussion instruments and tuned or melodic instruments. Follow the step-by-step lessons to explore techniques and ideas, leading to a final performance. The early sections of LearnToCompose features the popular sea shanty, Wellerman and Libertango by Argentine composer Astor Piazzolla. These pieces are used as backing tracks and act as a guide for learning some basic techniques that'll be crucial further into the project. There are 4 roles in LearnToCompose. Your conductor will stand at the front of your performance space and orchestrate your piece of music. It's their job to control what happens within the piece of music through the use of cues and hand signals, but more on that later. We suggest selecting your teacher to be the conductor to start with. The timekeeper is like a human metronome. Using a cowbell or similar, it's this person's job to keep a strong and steady rhythm counting in 4. This may seem like a simple job, but without a timekeeper, the music could quickly fall apart. To start with, everybody else should choose a percussion instrument. These can be low, medium, or high-sounding instruments. In the beginning, percussionists will learn some basic rhythms before composing their own. Later in the project, we introduce melodic instrumentalists who will switch from percussion to pitched instruments. Before building your composition, it's important to understand the cues and signals that will come from your conductor. Throughout your performance, your conductor will give a range of cues as an instruction to play either a specific rhythm, riff, or even a solo. Using the fingers on their right hand, the conductor will indicate which cue they want to introduce, and on their left hand, they will indicate who the cue is for. It may also be helpful for your conductor to add a verbal count-in. Cues will be introduced throughout the project, and you'll have time to learn each one individually before adding it to your performance. Your entire performance will be made up of cues, which will be directed by the conductor and to who they wish to direct it to. This means your performance could be different every time, or you could take the time as a class to discuss a list of cues beforehand and stick to it. Once you've completed your final performance, you could try switching roles. Try someone new as the conductor, or if you've been playing percussion, why not switch to a melodic instrument?